Hello everyone. You are looking at these screenshots, isn't it? The few that prove I cracked the AFCAT exam. I know what are you thinking? I have to cover the entire massive syllabus. GK, math, English, reasoning. How is that even possible? Well, here is my secret. I didn't try to cover everything. In fact, I focused on just 40% of the syllabus and cleared written exam 4 times consecutively. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly which 40% it was. Let's first talk about the common mistakes. The APCAT syllabus is huge. GK alone covers history, geography, polity, science, defense, and current affairs. Most aspirants try to read a massive GK book, spend months, and still only get maybe 12 to 15 questions right. It's a low yield section. So, what are the high scoring section you absolutely must master? My focus was on three pillars. Pillar 1, reasoning and military aptitude, the score booster. This is your gold mine. It has 25 questions and questions are often repeated or follow same logic. My secret tip for reasoning: don't read any theory book. Just solve questions of reasoning from the memory based previous year question paper of AppCat. For this, you can use textbook app. And whenever you face difficulty in solving a question, you can learn its concept on YouTube. You can get 20 plus correct here, which is quite easy. And you are already at 35% to the cutoff. Now, pillar 2, numerical ability, maths, the selective study. Math can be intimidating, but AppCat is mostly arithmetic. So just relax and forget complex algebra or geometry. Focus only on the top 5 topics that appear every time. These are as follows: time, speed and distance, simple interest and compound interest, profit and loss, percentage, mixture and allegation. Master these 5 by YouTube and you will nail 70% of the maths question. In this section, you can get 15 plus out of 20 easily. Now, pillar 3, that is English, the accuracy section. The English section is predictable. It tests your core competency and not tricky logic. Focus your energy on these two areas, that are error detection and comprehension. For comprehension, start reading newspaper. I recommend you to read Indian Express. Error detection. This is pure grammar practice. Get one good grammar book to learn concepts like KD publication written by Neetu Singh or book by SP Baxi. Focus on subject verb agreement, tenses, narration, voice, and preposition. For practice of error detection, I personally recommend you the book Mirror of Common Error. And the best part of this book is its solutions are awesome. Now, for vocabulary, I would have personally recommend you to prefer Word Power Made Easy, written by Norman Levish. But it is time consuming. As you know that antonyms, synonyms, idiom and phrases are direct questions. So instead of reading any bulky book, use previous year questions paper of AppCat and SSC. For this you can refer textbook app. In English, try to score 20 plus question correct here out of 30, which can be achieved easily. After mastering maths, English and reasoning, if you still have time left, then focus on current affairs and defense news. You can follow serious journey and inside SSB for this. By doing this, you will be able to score 7 plus correct in GK. So by this strategy you will get around 62 correct, and which will fetch you 186 marks, which is more than sufficient to get merit in. Now, the ultimate secret weapon. For the one thing that ties it all together and was the true game changer for me, the mock test mindset. Most people take a mock test, check their score, and move on. That's a waste of time. My secret was the post mortem review. After every mock test, I spent double the time analyzing the test than taking it. For this, I have two notebooks in which I write few important things. In my first notebook, I write score, percentile, accuracy, and weak areas and monitor regularly. In the other notebook, I write important concepts of mathematics, reasoning, and English from the mock. Sometimes I write few things from GK also which I find useful. I personally recommend you to attempt as much mock test as possible for better result. Lastly, I want to say that it's about quality of study, not quantity of syllabus. It worked for me and I know it can work for you. That's all. Thank you.